Welcome to the Environmental Studies lesson on environmental pollution and hazards. By the end of the video, you will learn about what is pollution and causes of environmental pollution. You'll also learn about air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, and noise pollution. Pollution is any undesirable change in the air, water, or soil that harms the environment and its inhabitants. It's caused primarily by human activities. Pollution can take many forms, such as air pollution, water pollution, and soil pollution. It's essential to understand the various aspects of pollution to address and mitigate its effects effectively. Pollutants can be categorized into two main groups: non-biodegradable and biodegradable. Non-biodegradable pollutants, like plastics and heavy metals, persist in the environment for a long time, causing long-term harm. In contrast, biodegradable pollutants, such as organic waste, decompose naturally over time but can be problematic when their input exceeds the environment's decomposition capacity. Understanding the sources of pollution is crucial. There are two main sources: point and non-point. Point sources are specific locations like industrial chimneys or discharge pipes from factories, while non-point sources are more diffuse, like runoff from construction sites and agricultural fields. These sources introduce pollutants into the environment, leading to pollution issues. Persistent organic pollutants, or POPs, are non-biodegradable chemicals that accumulate in the environment and our bodies. They enter the food chain and can cause health problems. Examples of POPs include aldrin, DDT, and dioxin. It's important to be aware of these substances as they have long-lasting and harmful effects on both the environment and human health. Environmental pollution is mainly caused by industrial processes and a growing human population. As we consume more resources and energy, we emit gases, chemicals, and waste into the air, water, and soil, leading to pollution. Understanding the causes of pollution is the first step in finding sustainable solutions to mitigate its impact. Air pollution is a significant concern due to its direct impact on human health. Clean air is essential for our well-being, as we need oxygen to survive. Different types of air pollutants, including natural pollutants, primary pollutants, and secondary pollutants, affect the quality of the air we breathe. It's crucial to distinguish between these categories to address air pollution effectively. Major air pollutants like suspended particulate matter, SPM, acid rain, and atmospheric inversion have adverse effects on our environment. SPM consists of tiny particles suspended in the air, which can lead to respiratory problems. Acid rain is caused by pollutants reacting with the atmosphere, harming aquatic ecosystems. Atmospheric inversion traps pollutants near the ground, worsening air quality. A real-life case study, such as the Bhopal Gas Tragedy, illustrates the devastating consequences of industrial accidents. In 1984, a gas leak from a pesticide plant in Bhopal resulted in thousands of deaths and long-term health issues. This tragic incident serves as a reminder of the importance of stringent safety measures and environmental regulations. Water pollution disrupts aquatic ecosystems and poses a threat to human health. Any change in water quality is considered water pollution. Major sources of human-generated water pollution include sewage, garbage, industrial effluents, and agricultural runoff. Understanding the sources of water pollution helps us take measures to protect our water resources. Water pollutants can be categorized into biological agents, pathogens, chemical agents, inorganic and organic, and physical agents, sediments, temperature. Pathogens like bacteria can contaminate water sources, leading to waterborne diseases. Chemical pollutants, such as heavy metals and pesticides, can be toxic to aquatic life and humans. Physical agents like sedimentation can degrade water quality. Marine pollution is a pressing concern, as oceans play a vital role in Earth's ecosystem. Coastal cities and industrial centers contribute to marine pollution through activities like shipping, oil spills, and plastic waste disposal. Understanding the impact of human activities on marine environments is crucial for preserving ocean health. Thermal pollution occurs when water temperatures in rivers and lakes rise significantly due to human activities like industrial cooling processes. Elevated water temperatures can harm aquatic ecosystems by reducing oxygen levels and affecting fish populations. Mitigating thermal pollution is essential to protect freshwater ecosystems. To assess water quality, scientists use parameters like dissolved oxygen, biological oxygen demand, BOD, chemical oxygen demand, COD, most probable number, MPN, and total dissolved solids, TDS. These parameters provide insights into the health of water bodies and help us monitor and maintain water quality standards. Understanding these parameters is crucial for effective water resource management. And with that, we wrap up this informative lesson. For additional information on this lesson, please look at the content below the video in the online course. To get a list of the important questions and their answers for this lesson, please refer to the guidebook by our publications provided to you with this course for free. It shows you a list of all the questions that have the highest chance of coming in your next exams based on research carried out on previous year question papers. All the best, and I'll see you in the next lesson.